Hello everyone, welcome to Elite Expertise. I'm Dr. Saudamni Sinha, currently student with Elite Expertise. Elite Expertise is an online training platform that trains all the overseas pharmacists to practice in Australia legally. Today we have with us Shyam. Hi Shyam, welcome to Elite Expertise and congratulations on clearing your KAPS exam. How are you feeling?
Thank you, madam. Feeling very good because I cleared my CAPS in first attempt without wasting any time. So that is the good part of my life. So I have chosen this elite expertise. So that made my can say day. So this is the good feeling for me.
Please introduce yourself. Where are you from? What have you studied?
I'm from Nepal. So I studied before from Bangalore. Now I'm staying in Bangalore only. From Malige College of Pharmacy in 2014 batch, I have cleared my before. After that, I'm working in a pharmaceutical company as a marketing executive. So many of my friends, they have done CAPS preparation through Elite Expertise. So one of them, they recommended me. After that, I joined this Elite Expertise, and I got success from Elite Expertise.
So why did you choose Elite Expertise?
So why I choose, because many of my seniors and some juniors are also already they have done, and they are working in Australia also in last March batch, I think last year, and July batch. And they told me about this elite expertise. If you prepare from here, no need to find out any study material. So without seeing here and there, just I joined elite expertise, and even I didn't got time also to prepare. Just last 1 month, only I watched some videos of elite expertise. Then last 15 days only I did preparation. So the problem is that I was not getting a time from my job and leave. So this elite expertise, mainly the Harika ma'am and this Arif sir, their the way of teaching and their lecture video was very good. So that uh, made very easy because you know that in BPharm we have lots of subjects and it's very difficult to memorize. So ma'am and sir, they compile all those subjects in very simple way. So it's a very difficult, very easy to memorize, and all those concepts clear. So if any question asked from for CAPS, so we can able to clear. So this is the reason why I joined.
So how did you prepare for your KAPS exam?
I prepared just as I told that. So from I didn't get a time to attend any live lecture. So all the recorded video I watched only twice a day, and the good thing is that I attended 2 to 3 times all those mock tests. So from the mock test and this lecture video, that helped me. So 90% of the question mainly came from all these videos and you can say mock test. And last 2-3 days, the classes with Harika ma'am and Arif sir, that helped me a lot. So I cleared in very short period of time. So this was my the strategy.
So what did you like about Elite Expertise?
The way of teaching. So as we have a very vast subject, but the way of teaching by Harika ma'am and Arif sir, it makes very simple. So no need to find out any study material like books and all, and we don't have that much books and study material. So this is the way, and moreover this mainly the videos, very short videos. So we can so these videos helps mainly lecture videos and recorded part, and these mock tests. So these are the very good thing about elite expertise.
So what are the teaching strategies that you liked about Elite Expertise?
Mainly this mock test and mainly the concept based. Mainly ma'am and sir, they clear all those concepts. So if any type of question comes, so we can able to clear that. So this was a very good.
So which paper was easy for you, paper 1 or paper 2?
Actually, when I saw first paper, I was very happy. Most of the questions mainly I got from whatever already we studied and mock test to 90%. And second paper was also very good. So for me, both paper was very easy. And so even second paper also, most of the calculation also repeated. Almost 90% of questions repeated. Whatever ma'am and sir have taken last 3 to 4 days, means last week, whatever classes they have taken, from that classes only question came. So it was very good.
So what are the top 3 points according to you which you think have really helped you in clearing your KAPS exam?
So top 3 things, that first one is a lecture, this lecture video, recorded lecture video. Second one is that the mock test. So all means 3 to 4 times I have done this mock test. That also helps me a lot. So I can memorize still lots of questions and their answer. And even the last 1 week classes also that was very useful for me. So these 3 things, due to these 3 things only I cleared these KAPS.
And do you have any suggestions for our future aspirants?
Yeah, if anyone want to prepare for KAPS exam, so they can go with Elite Expertise. No need to worry about anything or any study material. Just watch this lecture video and do some mock test and attend mainly this last 3 to 4 days classes. So that will be very useful. No need to waste money or any other platform. So this one is I'm recommending for Elite Expertise in future any aspirant. This is a very good platform for KAPS preparation.
Thank you so much, Shyam, for your time and all the very best for your future. Thank you. Bye-bye. Take care.
Thank you.